So if you're Nigerian and you've been struggling with PayPal, Payoneer, and the rest, you want a way to receive money internationally, let's say from clients or people from around the world, and you want to receive this money in foreign currency, this video is going to show you how you can receive this money without using PayPal, without using Payoneer, without using any of all these international setup that charges you a lot of money. So this platform is called Geegpay.Africa, and just in case you do not know, this is a fintech service that provides us with international bank account. So you can be in Nigeria and have a US bank account that you can use to receive money from even Google AdSense, affiliate marketing platforms like Impact, ClickBank, and the rest. So first, you need to create an account on this website, and I already have a video that teaches you how to do this, so I'm going to put a link to that video in the description of this video. So if you come to this website called gray.co, if you come here, you can see that I have Euro account, I have pound sterling account, and then I have the dollar, the USD account. I equally have a Nigerian Naira account, but I'm going to show you just how to receive payment. And to receive payment, we need to create a payment link, and we are going to use this payment link to request for money from, let's say, our services. All right, so if you come here, you see this request payment. If you are using the app, you may not be able to see it. So as at when I'm making this video, it was not available in the app for us. I don't know why, but I could only find it on the desktop version. So you can find it from here, or you can come to payments here and you can see payment links. It's the same thing as request a payment. So I'm just going to click on payment links, and just like PayPal and Seller and the Flutterwave, Paystack, and the rest, you can basically request a payment. The good thing with this is that you can request for this payment in foreign currency. So if you click on request payment, you can come here, click on request a payment, and this is where you select the currency that you want. So we are going to request for this payment in US dollars, and then let's say I want to collect, let's say $50 from these my clients, or for the services I've rendered. This is going to be the charge. I'm going to pay $1.50 for this. And then let's say we want to transfer the fees. This fee, we want to transfer it to the audience, all right, to the person, like the buyer or your client, to pay this fee. That means they are going to pay $51.50. So now this is going to be the available method for them to pay. They can pay with bank transfer, and the bank transfer has a charge of 0.9%. So for every money you receive on Gray, you are going to pay on Geegpay, not Gray. So I always mix them up. So if every money you receive on Geegpay, you are going to pay 0.9 cents as a charge. So if the minimum is $1.50, so you are going to pay $1.50 anyway. So you come here, you write the description. You can say payment for, let's say I offered a copywriting service or a funnel building service. I can say payment for funnel design, funnel, or maybe copy. All right. And then all I have to do is come here. I'm going to click on create the link, and this link is going to be created. So this is my link, and all I have to do is carry this link, give it to the client, and they can pay in the US dollars using their own card. So let's go and test this link to see what it looks like. So I'm just going to paste it right here, and this is what it's going to look like. All right, so this is what it's going to look like. This is how much you are going to pay. This is where this thing is coming from, which is my name. This is a description. Payment for funnel. The due date is 14th January 2025. I don't know why it's 14th. Maybe, okay, it's due for 1 month. All right, so I think this link is due for 1 month because I'm making this video on the 15th of December. So they can just click on pay, and they can pay with bank transfer. All right, so they now have to just send this to my bank account. So this is for people who are inside the USA. they will pay this amount. All right, this is the account information. For people outside the USA, the bank transfer is currently not available to them. So let's say we want to come back to our payment link here. This is a payment link. I can come here, click on the link itself and see once they pay, it will become paid. But currently this link has not been paid for. You can cancel the request and you can basically copy the payment link. So this is how you can receive money from international clients without the need of using PayPal, Payoneer, and the rest of them. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, please like the video. If not, tell me. My name is Goodnoel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.